What's up, you guys? My name is Mac. This is Cherry Bomb, and today we're installing the Tacoma Lifestyle smoked amber sequential turn signals. Let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, all your need for this install is already in the box. It does come with these nice instructions that show you with visuals and pictures. Basically that's what I'm going to do here. And it also comes with a screwdriver, and just behind that is a removal tool just to help you remove the mirror. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, quick note, they did send a screwdriver in the kit, but it's a flathead and you need a Phillips, so just make sure you have a Phillips or double check that the one that comes with the kit is a Phillips. Let's get back to the install. Alrighty people, I just did a test run on the passenger side, so I know what I'm doing for you guys. It's a very easy install, especially since I've done it once. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rip this thing off. So I'm just gonna kind of work your way, and you're gonna peel this back. You can use the trim removal tool, but honestly, I don't think you really need it. You just want, there's like a lip, you just want to pull up on the top like that, and just give it some wiggles. I would start on this side, get it to pop, and then give it some equal pressure. Come on, little one. Nice. And then what you're gonna do is, like I said, you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. Your kit should come with one, but you know, we're gonna loosen these two screws up. So two screws we're gonna loosen up is this one here and this one here. Let's do it. So now that that's loosened up, we're going to unhook these wires. So they're gonna be right here, and we're just gonna bend this a little bit to pull them around, just like that. So again, what we did is undid that and this, and then what you're gonna have here on the back side is your connector, and so it's just going to be a pull tab or push tab, just like that. Take it off, take your new blinker and go ahead and take the plastic off, and then what you're going to want to do is connect your cables up, get that little pop, do a tug test, and then make sure you pull the cable around and come in from the side, and then push it down into place, just like that. Lots of clicking and snapping. You'll know it's in all the way when this is flush. You shouldn't see any foam at all down here. And what we're gonna do now is make sure that you don't pinch your wires. Push that little tab back in place. Get this all up in here happy. Okay, once you get that tab, and then what we're gonna do is take this wire and tuck it in behind here, just like that. You can rehook it here if you'd like, but I don't think it really does much, but you can do that just to help get it out of the way. But you wanna make sure you get out of the way of right here, because that's where some of the tabs are for the cap. All right, once you have all the wires back in place, you want to take your two screws and re-secure the bracket in place. So one screw goes here, one screw goes right here. There you go, it shouldn't be moving at all. Last step, take your cap and it should just fit on nice and easy like so. A little slap never hurt, just like that. And the final test is to test the blinker. Beautiful, just like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. We've been doing a lot of installs lately. I'll do the playlist link up in the corner. But that's all I got for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. See you guys next time. Bye.